और आइए इस वक्त सीधे आपको ले चलते हैं कांग्रेस की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में।
खुले दावों के अंदर है, वास्तविकता जमीनी हकीकत बहुत अलग है। तो दोबारा अपने अर्थव्यवस्था को मजबूत करना, रोजगार के अवसर पैदा करना, युवा पीढ़ी के भविष्य को संवारना, और जो आज समाज के अंदर भय का वातावरण है, हताशा है, उससे इस देश को उभार कर लाना, ये संकल्प कांग्रेस कार्यकारिणी ने अपने प्रस्ताव के माध्यम से किया है। इसके साथ साथ जो कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष ने भी कहा अपने अभिभाषण में, पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी ने भी संबोधित किया, जिन्होंने देश की अर्थव्यवस्था पर गहरी चिंता व्यक्त की है। केवल एक जो गिरावट निरंतर आई है हमारे विकास में, उसके साथ जो एक बड़ी अनदेखी एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर की हुई है, कृषि क्षेत्र की हुई है, जहां निरंतर विकास गिरा है, निवेश गिरा है। एक चिंता स्पष्ट शब्दों में कही है कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष ने, जिसका पूरी कार्य समिति उसका अनुमोदन करती है, कि देश में संस्थाएं जो आजादी के बाद बनी हैं, उन संस्थाओं पर मोदी सरकार ने, बीजेपी सरकार ने निरंतर चोट करी है। और हर वो संस्था जो हमारे संवैधानिक प्रजातंत्र को बनाए रखी हो आजादी के बाद से लेकर अब तक, उनको सुनियोजित तरीके से केवल कमजोर करना नहीं, उनको बर्बाद करने का काम इस सरकार ने किया है। चाहे वो रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया है, चाहे वो केंद्र की एजेंसीज हैं, चाहे वो सीबीआई है, ईडी है, जिनका निरंतर राजनीतिक प्रतिशोध के लिए दुरुपयोग हो रहा है। और देश के अंदर एक ऐसा वातावरण बनाया गया है जो किसी भी प्रजातंत्र में स्वीकार्य नहीं है। As I have said, the Congress Working Committee has met in this city of Ahmedabad. We call it a historic meeting of the Working Committee because after a long time the Congress Working Committee has met in the land of the birth of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was not only an ardent follower of Mahatma Gandhi. The very fact that after the Bardoli Satyagraha, the title of Sardar was given to Vallabhbhai Patel ji, but remembering their contribution and their sacrifice, and also of the front-ranking leaders of the freedom struggle, Jawaharlal Nehru, and other stalwarts who made countless sacrifices and fought for this country's independence. The values that they had espoused, Mahatma Gandhi and his fellow freedom fighters, the idea of India, an inclusive India, a compassionate India, India in which its diversity is celebrated, an inclusive society in which all its citizens enjoy without any hindrance the rights guaranteed to the citizens of India by the framers of India's constitution. Congress Party has reaffirmed its commitment to defend these foundational values, to restore the health of the Indian economy, which has been collapsing because of monumental mismanagement under Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his government, notwithstanding the tall and boastful claims that have been made by the Prime Minister. The Working Committee has also met in the painful backdrop of the terror attacks. The nation had spoken in one voice and so had the Congress President and the Congress Party. We have been very clear in our determination to fight terrorism and any attack on our motherland. This is one such issue on which India has always been together. We have spoken in one voice and we stand united as firmly as a country should. Therefore, it's most unfortunate that the Prime Minister of India is seeking to divide the nation. Prime Minister is questioning the commitment and patriotism of his and BJP's political opponents ahead of the elections. Prime Minister is exploiting in a very cynical manner the emotions and sentiments of the people to deflect attention from his failure, non-deliverance on promises made in 2014 to the people of India, of 2 crore jobs to the youth every year, of adequate income and price for the farm produce to the Indian farmers, safety of women, and transformation in India's economy and India's development. He has betrayed, he has failed, he does not want the country to discuss these issues. Congress is determined, as Congress President Shri Rahul Gandhi ji has also said, that we will not allow Prime Minister to once again mislead and befool the people. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji must remember that the people of India have the wisdom and maturity. They have repeatedly demonstrated that in the past, and we have full faith that they will continue to do so now. The forthcoming elections are about this country, its people, and its issues. We will approach our people with humility, conveying that what Congress President and Congress Party says or promises, that has credibility and conviction. We have demonstrated always in the past when we talked of creating a social security net, right from Manrega to right to education to right to food security, those were delivered. What was said was always honored. In the recent assembly elections in 3 states of Rajasthan,